Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel. If you've noticed that ambient mode adds an effect that distracts you, or you simply want to return to the classic video look, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll show you the simple steps to turn off ambient mode on YouTube. Whether you're enjoying your favorite movies, music videos, or educational content, with these settings, your experience will be clearer and more enjoyable. So, let's start the process. First, find and open your YouTube app. Once it's open, locate the video you want to watch and open it. When the video opens, you'll see a gear-shaped icon in the top right corner of the video you're watching, which will open the video settings menu. In the menu, you'll see an option at the bottom called Additional Settings. Tap on it, and it will open additional options. Now, in this section, you'll see the Ambient Mode option. Tap the switch next to it to turn it off. After turning this option off, you'll notice that the lighting effects on the screen no longer adjust to the video content, giving you a more classic viewing experience. This way, you can enjoy your videos without distractions. And that's it, friends. If you found this video helpful and successfully turned off ambient mode on YouTube, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to learn more about other YouTube options. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.